Hey guys, how's it going? It is Tuesday, March 23rd. It is 1 p.m. and I'm done for the day. I want to try to keep this video shorter because I feel like I've been talking a lot lately. However, I do want to do something differently. Usually, when I talk about my trades, I just show you the chart as it looks once I'm done with the trade. However, today I want to build it with you guys, okay? So I traded Facebook, all right? I traded Facebook. I went in at like 11 something, but I wanna, draw for you what is it that I was seeing for me to wanna go in, right? Okay, so first of all, you know that I use the pre-market don't take this into consideration. The pre-market and after hours high, right? As a level of reference. So there you go. That was a pre-market high, and Facebook, we opened the day down a little bit and then boom, we broke it. Nice and strong on quite a bit of volume, that's great. And we also, well, from here, we just went down, so we set a high of the day. Great. Okay. Now, you know my pattern, breakout, retest, continuation. Here there was definitely a breakout, but the retest failed and it just went back down, right? Okay. Then up, but we go again. We break the pre-market high like nothing, right? But we hit our heads against the the high of the day again. We cannot break it, and then we fall down to where? To the pre-market high. In this case, you could argue that this would have been a breakout retest continuation, and hindsight is 2020. This should have been what I should have traded, but I didn't. And in any case, this is very dirty. This is very dirty. I like patterns that are a lot cleaner. Okay. All right. However, actually, before I do that, there was a breakout. Great. We broke the high of the day. We fell down here. We fell down here. And guess what? That happened to be the high of the day that we had set after we broke the old high of the first high of the day, right? So, oh my God, new high of the day. Great. We break it, retest it, retest it, retest it, and we are going back up. And surely enough, I went in right at the close of this candle, right at the close. So that's where I went in, like right, I don't know, like it was 11:24 with like 3 seconds, right at the very, very, very beginning of this candle. Okay. Sorry, no, that was when I got out. I got in at 11:06 with 12 seconds. Sorry, that's where I got in. So yeah, like 12 seconds after this candle opened. Now I'm happy because I didn't hit the bid, sorry, the ask. I set an order near the bid and I got filled, so I got a pretty good entry price. Okay, good, because after that, and I will talk about the indexes in a little bit, the choppiness of the market got me. Alright, this trade didn't work at first. It wanted to retest this level once more, and look at this. Isn't this a very clean pattern? Much cleaner than this, right? Breakout, retest, and here we were gonna get the continuation, right? I was like, okay, here we go, and we did not. Instead, we fell down here, and no, sorry, I got out at the very open of this candle. I saw that this candle retraced, and we started to feel heavy, so this is where I got out. There. And boy, am I glad I got out, right? Because this went south fast. Um, Now the loss was 4.49%, which is great. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. That's pretty much break even, and I'm very happy with my discipline. I did not, I didn't even wait for my stop to be triggered. I don't have hard stops. I use soft stops, but yeah, I didn't even wait for the pattern to break. This felt heavy. The environment, the markets were heavy, and it was not the right market environment to trade. So get out for a small loss, and there you go. No harm done. Um, I was also looking at, let's see, what else was I looking at? In the morning, I was looking at Zoom, all right? Now, um, Zoom broke the high of the pre-market like nothing, but it didn't retrace all the way here, so I couldn't catch it. I didn't want to catch it on VWAP. I like to wait for actual levels to hold, right? Um, then we broke the high of the day. We retested it and went back up, but this was very dirty, and the price action was, and the markets were really not helping, so I didn't take this trade. Um, what else was I looking at? Netflix. More of the same. We break the high of the day, but we don't retrace low enough. We said, we kind of, we break the pre-market high. We don't retrace low enough. We break the high of the day. We we don't, we don't continue, right? So it was a very frustrating day, and I want to talk about the indexes now. While the SPY is green right now, um, while the SPY is green right now, it is extremely annoying today. It is stuck below yesterday's high, and it had a very hard time really pushing up convincingly. Right now, if we break yesterday's high, maybe we will, go to the moon. I don't know. But until we do that, the SPY doesn't want to go. Now, because the SPY doesn't want to go, the Nasdaq is also stuck there too, right? Like it cannot really break yesterday's high, and it's been green today. It's been green today. Um, let's see. It's been green today, but and even all above this support or resistance, but it cannot move. It cannot. It doesn't have any follow through, right? And finally, the Dow Jones. Well, let's see. Again, it wants to go, but it can't. It's so like sluggish today. This reminds me very much of the choppiness that we had last week, right? Definitely not the right environment to trade. I mean, if you have a system that does well in this type of market environment, then all the power to you, right? Mine does not, so I'm just going to sit it out, you know. Right, so that's about it. That's all that I wanted to cover today. Yeah, the markets are choppy today. It's really not worth it. I tried to place one trade when things seemed like they could work, but I do want to talk about why this trade was wrong. Hold on 1 second. I forgot to say this. Right, so if you recall, let me go back to the pre-market. Right, if you recall, I saw that this level, this new high of the day was holding, but it didn't go anywhere, right? Um, I don't love to crowd my charts with levels, and I tend to trust two levels and two levels only: pre-market high or pre-market low, and the first high of the day or the first low of the day. Everything else after that, I I feel it doesn't have as much potential to run, to work out. So in this case, while I was very disciplined with my entry, and waiting for the pattern to show up and the stars to align, I don't yeah I don't think I'm gonna keep doing this, because yeah, the odds of success, I feel, go down when you do, like, newer highs of the day, right? So if you happen to catch a movement in the beginning, great. If you miss it, that's okay. Tomorrow the markets will be open again, right? Okay, so that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys for checking out the video, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Cheers, bye.